The MegaBoom 3 is an updated version of one of the most popular Bluetooth speakers on the market. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider. We've got the UE MegaBoom. The latest incarnation is the first time that they've actually kind of changed the physical appearance of the MegaBoom and Boom speakers. Long gone is that silicone rubber strip right along the front, now it's just replaced with the updated fabric. This not only looks better, it helps produce better 360-degree audio. Speaking of that new fabric, it's kind of cool. It feels great in the hand and has a really amazing two-tone look. We have the red here, and it's like this red and black, and as you change your position, it kind of moves and shimmers just a little bit. The purple model is also pretty great looking. Getting our biggest qualm out of the way right away is the USB port. The micro USB port has been moved from the bottom now to the side, which is a good choice as far as placement, but it's still micro USB. It is incredulous that Ultimate Ears sticks with micro USB when USB-C is clearly the future. They say the market is not ready with adoption for USB-C, but if you're buying something in 2018 that you want to use for a few years, you don't want to be stuck with an outdated port. Cameras, headphones, computers, all are shipping now with USB-C, and this really should as well. However, if you don't want to worry about USB at all, there is a new option to use Ultimate Ears Power Up charging stand. Basically, it's a proprietary wireless charger for their Boom 3, MegaBoom 3, and their Mega Blast speakers. Looking at controls, there is a Bluetooth button here on the top, the power button here on the bottom, and the brand new Magic button. This acts as a play, pause, and skip button, but it does a lot more. We'll touch on that in just a second. Getting it set up is pretty much as easy as you'd expect. Hit the power button, it's immediately going to go into Bluetooth pairing mode for the first time, or you can hold on that Bluetooth button. Open up your device, your iPhone, your iPad, go into Bluetooth settings, and you should see the MegaBoom 3 right at the bottom of the list. Once you've added it, you can download and launch the MegaBoom and Boom app. The app is not necessary. You can completely use this thing as a normal speaker without downloading the app, but there's a lot of really cool features, such as that magic button. You can assign 4 different presets to Apple Music, so any playlist that you really love, and that can be controlled using the magic button. There's also EQ controls. There are several different presets that you can choose from, or you can completely customize your own. There's ones for standard, cramped spaces, bass jump, and voices. It's pretty nice to have those options there, so if you don't really know what to change in the EQ, you have these pre-done options. But otherwise, you can just turn up the bass, turn down the bass, whatever you really want to do. Also within the app, you can pair multiple speakers together. Actually, over 150 of these can be connected together to really amplify the sound. There's also party block mode or block party mode, where you can actually act kind of as a DJ for a bunch of people. So back to that magic button. When you go somewhere, you've got your speaker with you and it's completely powered off, and you want to be able to get it up and going as fast and easily as possible. Right now it's completely off, but if I press and hold on the magic button, just for a second, it'll completely power on, turn on Bluetooth, connect to my phone, and start playing my first preset. Pressing and holding again will jump to the next playlist. The UE MegaBoom 3 is also completely water resistant, IP67, means you can go about a meter down for 30 minutes, but it shouldn't be down that far because this thing floats. It's completely water resistant, so if you ever get this thing dirty, just take it inside and you can rinse it off and you're good as new. This is stuff that we love to see on a rugged, durable outdoor speaker. Range is also pretty solid and battery life is rated up to 20 hours. We love the little touches like the big buttons in the front to control the volume, the new loop on the back to hang this off of a backpack, off of the side of a boat, wherever you are that you really just kind of want to hang this thing up and get that great 360-degree sound. MegaBoom 3 sounded pretty amazing with really impressive bass. It's no wonder that these are one of the most popular lines of speakers out there on the market. The MegaBoom 3 is larger than the Boom by about 2 inches and has much deeper bass and improved frequency response. Best yet, the price has dropped $50 from the last model. If you want to pick one up for yourself, you can find the link below in the description as well as in the comments.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.